Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send USDT from Robinhood to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your assets smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account and a Trust Wallet set up. If you don't, download the apps from your app store and create accounts. It's super easy and free. Once you're logged in, open Trust Wallet and navigate to the USDT section. This is where you'll find your unique wallet address. Think of it as your crypto's home address. Tap on the Receive button and copy that address to your clipboard. Double check it because accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Now, switch over to your Robinhood app. Head to the Crypto tab, find USDT in your portfolio, and select it. Look for the transfer or withdraw option. It might say, send, or transfer out. Paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and don't forget to review any fees. In 2025, network fees for USDT on the blockchain might be lower due to advancements, but always check to keep costs down. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation screen, and then it's just a waiting game. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Trust Wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your USDT there. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both apps for added security, and never share your wallet address with anyone unless you're sending crypto. There you have it. You're now a pro at moving USDT between platforms. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.